Hi everyone, today I'm gonna go check out the breakfast project brunch. Looks like they have some interesting menu, and then let's go in and check it out. So we ordered the s'mores, the frozen chocolate, Oreo frozen chocolate, and we also gonna tried out this, the giant cinnamon bun loaf, which is the one pie, the smaller version, the $14. And I like the menu saying that when we say giant, we aren't kidding. I'm looking for how big would that be for $14. And then we're gonna get the breakfast burrito bowl, and then loaded breakfast pizza. So just FYI, recently they add this like 3.5% convenient charge of payment if you make by credit card. At least they tell you ahead of time, versus the one I've been to never tell me until I pay my. Look at this, the hot frozen chocolate. It looks amazing. This is the s'more. This is the Oreo. Look at this. It's so. We got the cold version on the side. They have add the s'more there, and then a big huge of cream, and then marshmallow. Same as the Oreo. Let's try it out. It tastes very good. It's a very strong hot chocolate, but it's kind of like Smurfy, icy, like a slush. I want to eat the s'mores, but it's so hard to eat. They have a spoon in the back, but it's hard for me to scoot up. Nah, I got it. It's right here, right here. There's a spoon here. So let me see the s'mores. Oh my gosh. I like the marshmallow. It's burnt. It's still a bit burnt taste on it. It's very good. This is awesome good. It's one of the signature here too. Let's try the Oreo. Oh, this is like, don't think it's inside just the hot chocolate. They have some Oreo taste on it, so they make some Oreo inside of it. It's very, oh my god. This is no kidding.
Yeah, no joke. Sharing clips for you guys.
All right, thank you. Look at this, the cinnamon roll is, oh my, it's really, oh my god. Okay, I don't think I can handle this. It's so huge. But back to this is so good. It has Oreo taste. I think this has s'mores, but it's just not too obvious to stand on it because s'mores is like chocolate with the crackle on it. So that I cannot taste much, but this is like obvious. You can taste Oreo and hot chocolate frozen. This is so huge. It's so huge. I thought the small version is not as big as the $28 version, but it came out as a giant cinnamon roll. So I think it's highly tactical. I don't think we can able to finish it. But let's check it out. Oh my god. It's so huge. Oh my god. And so many sauce too. They have cinnamon sauce, the brown sugar with cream. I forgot what they have inside, but it's not all the sweet stuff. I think cream cheese. I don't remember. Oh my god! I put my knife here too. I'm gonna use my own knife. Oh my god! It's gonna be very nice, hot, and tasty. I think. Let's try that. Oh, it's a loaf of bread with cinnamon sauce on it. Oh, look at this. It's nice and good. It's hot too. The bread, the loaf bun is hot, and then the cream, all the sauce, the brown sugar, the cream cheese, everything is nice and warm as well. It's a cinnamon bun. They have a strong cinnamon taste on it on the bun. Cream cheese with the sweet sauce, but it's not as sweet as, I mean, think of a dessert as a, of course it's gonna be sweet, but it's not like crazy sweet that make you don't want to eat it. I think this level of sweetness is good. And the punch and the bun here, the roll is cool. Here is crunchy, this section, and this is like more like a mushy taste. I love it. Definitely no soup. It's really, oh my god, it's huge size. I feel like two of us cannot finish. Actually, I do like the bun because they add cinnamon on it with the brown sugar. Oh, it's just a perfect match. It's awesome good. I will highly recommend you come here. By the way, if you come on Saturday, Sunday weekend, it's gonna be a long night. Expecting to wait on a night, so we on here on a weekday, so we don't have to wait. It's super crowded on the weekend. Oh my god. And just keep in mind, we just ordered half of the size of the cinnamon bun. Imagine the full size, gonna be crazy. Every time we cut the bun out, there's a smoke coming out too. The brown sugar syrup is super good. How much we left over, I don't think we can even finish ourselves because we need to save some room for the hot food. This like breakfast burrito, it has avocado, pulled pork, and some like Mexican sauce with some feta cheese, pepper, that's not pepper, it's tomato and eggs. It looks very interesting. And then like the pita tortilla. Let me try the sauce. It looks very interesting. Oh, it's not egg and it's cheese. It tastes awesome good. It's more like a Mexican style breakfast. And then they have pulled pork. So if they have egg and then a cheese, melted cheese on top of the egg. Oh wow. So they're replacing the egg with rice, obviously, and cheese. Pulled pork. Actually, the pulled pork is not sweet though. It's more like barbecue style, but it's not sweet. And then they have some glazed onion too. There's so much stuff on it. It's like I feel like this is like a good, awesome, interesting breakfast bowl. Rather than having just an egg, bacon, pancake, this is something interesting I would like to try. Oh, look at this. Oh, the cheese. This is good. And then this is home potato fries. And I think they add some seasoning too. So it's just not potato, it's that seasoning. Like it's slightly spicy, but it tastes so good. So not just a plain potato taste. This is loaded breakfast pizza. It comes with a little pita, avocado, bacon, tons of mozzarella cheese and egg, and some potato too. Let's try it out. Nice and hot. Tons of cheese and a little bit bacon. When they say it's loaded, I feel like it's gonna be heavy. I mean, it's very interesting. I think mine was even better because it has sauce. This one doesn't have sauce. It's just rely on cheese, egg, onion, potato, bacon. So if you don't like sauce, this is a good one. And it's very soft too. So they give you potato on top. It also has potato home fry, which is same as mine. Exactly the same thing. But the bacon tastes so good. I would say if they add a little bit of like creamy sauce would be even better. But overall, this is a good stuff. It's very different, unique style of breakfast. You're not able to find other places with different menu on it. If you look closely, they give you tons of pulled pork too. So that's why I say like if I eat this and eat the other loaded pizza, you don't feel much taste on that loaded pizza because this has a lot of taste on it. It's very awesome with the sauce. With the protein, the whole thing is like, it's just so good. It's like eating burrito, but it has breakfast style. Oh, I definitely love this style. So when you come here, make sure you order breakfast burrito. There's so many ingredients, there's so many tastes on it. Insane good.
If you order this every time, then you won't be able to try the other stuff.
Yeah. I hardly have breakfast with different kind of style. Like this is their new style breakfast. It's just so good. Sometimes I feel like just regular egg, sausage, and bacon is kind of boring. But with this, it's amazing surprise. What time right now? I think this is 9ish. I don't think I can eat lunch at all after eating this. It's just like so many. I think this is called like American style breakfast, right? Compare the UK breakfast. The portion is smaller here. It's American size. Make you feeling. Make sure they make you full for the day before you start working. That's the American signature. And this place, they have the name called like Project Brunch. So it's kind of hinted they also serve a brunch menu, so you can come here for brunch and skip the lunch completely because the size is awesome, huge and big. This big breakfast made me so full. I managed to finish my burrito, but I feel like I'm sleepy right now, very sleepy. Food coma. Yeah, and we definitely get the cinnamon bun to go. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.